ọgbatojughị m anya ibe a merụnụ ọgbatojughị m anya ihe mere o ji wee gbatoju m anya bụ na ama na ọ ya eme mana o nwere ofu ihe m chọrọ ka m gwa ndị Igbo tata.
My fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, what I need from you is for you to share this video because it is very, very important for you guys to share it. This strong native doctor that you are seeing on my screen like this has a very serious message to all Igbo people. So stay tuned and hear from him and see what he said concerning Nnamdi Kanu and all the Igbo people entirely. So hear from him and do not forget to share so that other Biafrans can also benefit from this particular video because it gets why. Share this video and remain blessed. My name is Nnamdi Official TV. Thank you and have a nice day. One love.
ọgbatojughị m anya ibe a merụnụ ọgbatojughị m anya ihe mere o ji wee gbatoju m anya bụ na ama na ọ ya eme mana o nwere ofu ihe m chọrọ ka m gwa ndị Igbo tata. Ị bụrụ onye Igbo gee m ntị n'okwu m okwu m dị ezigbote mkpa. Adị m ekwu enyi ha obodo gbuo ihe ha jiri were dị ebube nke obodo ahụ agwụna. Ọ bụrụ na ndị Igbo gee ntị ha afọ ihe na-eme n'ugwu Hausa, ndị Boko Haram, ndị bandit, ihe a na-egbu n'ugwu Hausa, ihe a bụ ihe ha kwadoro n'ọnụ ala Igbo a ka a ga-eme ya. Kedu onye kwenchiri that war? Ọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nke a tụrụ nga na ọ ya nọ na ime selụ na ndụ ya niile were west ya. O nwere ibe m chọrọ ka m gwa ndị senatọs anyị nwee. Unu firi na ebe ahụ unu nọ na onweghị ibe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-emenwuru unu ebe ahụ ka anyị bido na-nnebe anya onye ọbụla zọwa onwe ya maka na ọnụ na-ekwuru unu nọ ya ka a tụrụ life jail. Ndị House of Representatives unu afụghị ihe melụnụ nwanne unu ka eji na DSS for how many years. Ndị senators ndị anyị nwegasịrị na Abuja ma ndị nwere ọnụ nwesịrị ego onwebeghị ndị muvuru ije baba n'ebe ahụ eji biko so ọbụrụ na unu nwa na-aga ebe ahụ eji evisiti vidio na-evu unu na-aga na-evisiti ya. Ndị a marụ na ha ịkpa nwa agụ aka n'ọdụ bụ nwa ka a na-achọ. Onye ọ na-agbachichicha nkịtị anyị enweghị okwu ya dịbarị Chukwu. Then another one m na-achọ ikwu tata bụ ịbụrụ onye Igbo gee m ntị. Ị na-eje ụka bụ onye Yoruba, ị na-eje ụka bụ onye Yoruba hibere. Ha nwee head office na Yoruba, ha abịa n'ala Igbo anyị nwegasị branches kpọkọrọsị ụmụazị be anyị gogasịrị akwụkwọ. Ụmụazị akwụkwọ ekweghị ọgụgụ mechaa ha pastọ n'ala Igbo anyị, ha na-ebukọ ego dị n'ala Igbo anyị na-ebunara ha na Yoruba si na ha na-ekpere Chukwu. Taa anyị ruo mgbe a ga-apụtakwu eziokwu ị marụ na ndị ahụ devils. Onye Igbo anyị ọbụla na-eje ụka bụ onye Yoruba hibere, o nweghị ife ị ga-ayọta n'ụlọ ụka ahụ. Ọsọbede gị na-ekpe n'ala Igbo anyị ndị Igbo anyị kwesịrị ikwit n'ụka ọbụla wụ ụka bụ onye Yoruba hibere ya. Ndị Igbo anyị kwesịrị ikwit na ya ka emegodi ya 1 week ka these pastors ndị Yoruba mmanụ na ego ndị Igbo ka ha ji agba private jet chọba na ụlọ ụka ndị Igbo nwere gaba n'ime ya. O nwere onye si eje n'ụka gabanụ n'ime ya. Igbo kedu onye mere anyị ibe a? And another thing na-achọkwa ịgwakwa unu bụ ụmụnne m ndị na-alụsisi unu na Lagos, o nwekwa anybody nsị ya alụ n'ụlọ rụbanụ mansions mana nọ n'unu rụgasị na Lagos, factory unu rụgasị na Lagos No ya ke eji we make campaign 2027. Watch and see. Kono ma na okwu a no obu ihe mere eme ka obu ihe mere eme. Na this okwu a nna agwa unu ka no mark ya somewhere. 2027 ana achi buy. Nwanne anyị nwoke Peter Obi pụtakwa na that election. Malunu unu no na Lagos. Ma 30-story building. Na bulldozer ga-ebutu sie. Unu nwa ka a ga-eji wee mee the campaign. Unu chọọ ka anyị kwa anya betting. Watch and see 2027. Ka unu confirm ihe m na-ekwu. Nke onye eje na-arụ oburu na Lagos mgbe emekwunu aka m na mebenu etigo m mkpe for years. O nwere ụgwọ unu kwụrụ m. Mana 2027 many mansions enwe na Lagos ga-adị down. Ole si no emebe campaign unu ni na abai flight na tabe ezukpo ibe ni unu nwere na chop. O ibe a ga-eji unu maka a ga-eji me ya. Nwanne unu nwoke. Unu atụ nwe ego. Onwe ihe unu menwuru nwanne unu nwoke. Nya ka atụrụ. Aliri na egbu m mana ife m nwere egwu unu bụ ndị Igbo. Ọnụ na-ekwukwala anyị. Ndị senators anakwa ha ekwula anyị. House of Representatives ha adịkwa hoke ya. Ndị governors anyị nwere adịrọkwa ka ya. Ofu ọnụ ahụ egbe na-awa ọgbafu nwa anụ ụda ya. Oya ka atụ life imprisonment. Ka anyị na-enu ụlọ anya ka anyị mara na ihe ya emecha mee. Mana onye na-atọ ọchị onye ọwụ na Chineke nna aka Chukwu dị n'ahụ ya ịtọ ọchị ya aka. Generation gị niile na-abịanụ enwere nke ga-anọ n'imi. Ka Chukwu gọzielu m unu.
All right, I just arrived Paris, France. I just checked into my apartment and I'm just seeing the breaking news that Nnamdi Kanu have been sentenced to life imprisonment. The justice have, is it the judge or the justice have sentenced him to life imprisonment, and he says that he is not going to send him to Kuje, that he's going to be in a facility that is undisclosed. They are not going to put the location of the facility. Now, first of all, what is the crime of Nnamdi Kanu? This is, a lot of things have been happening and different people have been agitating. Sunday Igbo have agitated. The people in the north are agitating. Nnamdi Kanu agitated. Now, Nnamdi Kanu was arrested and then now he has been sentenced to life imprisonment. What is the fate of Nigeria as a country? I don't know, because there is a particular man that is siding the bandit. A lot of things are happening in the country. Kwara State, look at what happened today again in Kwara State. They went to take the life of 2 farmers in the farm. Just a day after when they abducted 36 people from the church. Now, they have released a ransom saying that 100 million naira ransom should be paid for each person that was taken. That is 3-point-something billion. How do you want those people you see in that video, do they look like somebody that can even raise 100,000? Somebody have 100 million naira into, he will be in the church at that time. Where do you want them to see this money? Where are we heading to as a country? Telling them to go and bring 100 billion for each person, and there are 36 of them. Now, apart from those ones, they went to the farm and they take the life of 2 farmers in the farm. Look at what is happening in the country. We are living in a country whereby a bandit will come on TikTok live and be doing giveaway, or a bandit will come and do a video and post on their TikTok account sniping with a gun, and the government have not done anything to track the person. But look at the effort the government made to catch Nnamdi Kanu. But look at these people in the bush doing videos, doing TikTok live. You cannot tell me that you don't have the IP address of that person that is doing that TikTok live. For God's sake. I watched the video of this man in court. You can see the prostration in his face. You can see the anger in his face. You can see that this man is angry. This man is frustrated. The judge is saying that Nnamdi Kanu one time says that they should. Who is it? The judge that even say it? I think it's Bashir Ahmed that say. I just saw the tweet of Bashir Ahmed saying that there's one time Nnamdi Kanu said that they should bring the head of how many people. That is a treasonable offense. The judge said Nnamdi Kanu one time said they should burn all the government facility in the whole of Lagos so that the government can see that they are serious. These are things that was said. It was never done. But look at what Sheikh Gumi is saying, telling you that I sometimes read what this man is saying and I get to wonder if the government is seeing all these things that this man is saying. He's coming on national TV to say these things for God's sake. How can you come and say that the government should negotiate with the bandits and give them money so that the bandits will help us to protect our forests? Who are they protecting the forest against? Are they going to protect the forest against us or against themselves? Because as a matter of fact, they are the one that is even running the forest now. So who are they going to protect the forest or safeguard the forest for? Is it for us? Against us or against themselves? We don't know the repercussion of what we are doing in this country. We don't know the repercussion. The repercussion is food scarcity. One of the repercussions. Little by little, this country we are folding up. Farmers cannot go to farm. The herders are there too. Meat is going to be expensive. We are just complicating ourselves as a country, embarrassing ourselves as a country. Look at the video in America. They are holding a meeting in regards to us as if we are one small children that parents come and they are holding a meeting on how to deal with us, on how to deal with their child. Every embassy is just tightening their security, tightening their visa procedures. I saw today that the UK said that for a worker that want to migrate to the UK have to wait for 15 years. If somebody is waiting for 15 years to get a visa to go and work, where the person go down old now, where you want to see the strength they work for the UK. Do you think the working in abroad is easy? Wallahi tallahi, you will trek in this country, in this abroad. You will trek because if you say you want to enter it's not like Luxembourg that the transport is free. That country, Luxembourg, come and see that country. Transportation in Luxembourg is totally free. I moved in Luxembourg, I did not pay transport for 1 minute. All the tram is free, the bus is free, every train is free. They don't pay transportation in Luxembourg. So what the Nigerian government is supposed to even do is to go and check the syllabus of the Luxembourg people and go and check how do they make their money. These are people that prioritize their citizens. Taking up life in Nigeria is now a normal thing. You just wake up, you see that they're taking the life of 200 people. They say, normal level. It's now normal. Human life is now normal. Are we comfortable about it? Are we comfortable? No, I'm not happy with what is going on. Every day you come on the internet in Nigeria, it's one bad news or the other. Let me tell you, for the people that are calling for the resignation of Tinubu, you say you want the president to resign. Let me tell you, that was how they say Jonathan should resign. Did insecurity stop? No. Buhari came. Did insecurity stop? They say resign. Buhari, did he stop? No. Tinubu is here. Did he stop? No. If Tinubu go out and if Peter Obi come, there will still be people that will frustrate his government. Insecurity will still continue. What we should be talking about is a lasting solution. How do we even have a lasting solution? The mistake have already been done during the regime of Buhari. Buhari's regime was one of the regime that, in fact, that is the worst regime ever. That regime put us in the problems that we are today. Tinubu have not even done 1/4. That regime is what put us where we are today, both economically and security-wise. So if you say Tinubu go, if somebody come again, the same thing would happen. They will still make the government unbearable for the person. What we should be looking at is a lasting solution. It's a lasting, this one don't come out for pray for Nigeria. This is something that all of us need to come together and let's know how we are going to take this country from where it is and put it to where it should be. I'm tired. I'm tired, wallahi. Bad news every day in Nigeria. Well, I just hope that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu